First love. Yes, that's what I was going to talk about today. See, the cock also agrees. Brazil. Yes, Brazil. Since 1998 World Cup, Brazil has been my first love. Over decades, things have changed, but you all know, even if first love stays or doesn't stay with you, there's always a good feeling about it. Isn't it true? That's what it is for me and Brazil. So, yesterday night, after watching Euros and getting tired, I still opted to see Brazil's game against Venezuela. And then again, that man, Neymar Jr. Actually, he should be named Neymar Senior, because all the Venezuela players were looking like junior teammates of him. And there's a lot of talk where Neymar does theatrics on the ground and all these things. But it's high time that Neymar deserves the respect for his footballing acumen. Just see the way he played. I don't know how many of you watched the full game, but he was acting as a waiter, delivering things on the plate, delivering assists on the plate for players like Richarlison, for Gabriel, not Gabriel Jesus. Gabby Goal is his name, his short name. He is meant to score goals, his name is that, but this is his first goal in 5 years for Brazil. And that's why Neymar is that much important, because he laid it on a plate to him. Richarlison is another guy who I think was born on offside. Because he is offside and because he missed chances which Neymar created for him, he couldn't score. That's not Neymar's fault. Then see the Brazilian display. I think with all this talk of tactical football and body game football being a rough tackled body game, whenever I watch Latin American football, it gives me immense pleasure to my eyes. Just see the way Brazil played. Short touches, short passes, quick touches, beautiful display of passing football. The first goal, who scores the goal by nutmegging a defender? Marquinhos did that. Because Neymar, after waiting a while in the corner flag, when he delivered the corner, when he came to Marquinhos, he just waited. Goalkeeper was there, defender was there, but he slightly adjusted his foot and nutmegged the defender to score the goal. Then comes another defender. This defenders of Brazil's are so skillful. Danilo, with his skill only, he got a penalty. And then there was Neymar, who could just send the goalkeeper on the wrong way and he scored. Neymar himself missed two brilliant chances. He was the creator, but he missed two brilliant chances from open play. One was from a Gabriel Jesus pass. He couldn't just slide, he slided in but couldn't make the connection. And then there was another one where Neymar dribbled right and left and went inside the box, got an option to shoot, didn't shoot, then tried to shoot in the first post but just missed the target. But overall, the silken touch of Neymar, that's why we Indians are supposed to stay awake all throughout the night to watch this Copa America, because nowadays this silken touch is not that much seen on the pitch. So Neymar, it's high time to give him respect, because Neymar is the delivery boy of Brazil. So it's high time he needs respect, and stop criticizing him for the theatrics. Remember in the 2014 World Cup, when he suffered this career threatening injury, after that he said that he needs to protect himself, because nowadays people do rough tackles out of the blue, and if the referee doesn't protect him, he will protect himself. That's why he did that. and Brazil are off to a brilliant start, 3-0 win against Venezuela. One of the favorites, the defending champions of Copa America, and one of the favorites of Copa America again. And I hope this Neymar show, this boss Neymar show continues. And I also hope that you subscribe to our channel Sports Addiction, follow the Sports Addiction on Facebook and YouTube, and follow us on our Instagram profiles, Facebook profile and other profiles. Everything is in the description below. For now, goodbye.